Now, Lindsey, what a difference 24 hours makes. Do you view the futures move now as maybe a reflection of simply irrational exuberance, technical trading, whatever, in the month of April? Or would new tariffs kind of add another layer of uncertainty to our viewers and their money?
Well, I think it's a little bit of both. Certainly, the addition of more tariffs adds a level of uncertainty in an environment where a significant amount of uncertainty already exists. But we also think as we look into the month of April, it's been a very technical market, especially since we bottomed in March 23rd. And, I look at I-10 research, and we did this past week move into neutral territory from a neutral bias, from a negative bias, according to them. But we do see resistance at that 3,000 level, and breadth and volume still remains pretty weak. And then on the fundamental front, we got a lot of earnings over the last couple weeks, and the picture really hasn't changed. In fact, clarity there has been reduced also, with many management teams removing or withdrawing their guidance for the year.
Yeah, I mean, that's a great point, Lindsey. We know less now after earnings than we did before, because so many companies have said, we don't know, we can't see, like Tim Cook of Apple. We're pulling our guidance, and yet we're coming off this amazing April. I spoke with a trader at a big bank last night on the phone. He said almost all the flow he's seeing is the big quant funds, the Renaissances, Citadels of the world. They're the ones powering this market higher. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think that goes back to the point. It's quant driven, it's technical driven. But I do think that when I look at I think that market participants basically are saying 2020 is a wash. It's going to be a terrible year. Let's look out to 2021. You look at the valuations, and 2021, 17 and a half times feels a little more reasonable, but that's more than 18 months away, right? And if you think about combining 2020 and 2021 earnings growth, it's a net neutral. So for me, I would like to see a definitive bottoming in next 12 months earnings before I can say that we put a real bottom in the market. Also, we need to see a clear trajectory to a path forward, really, for reopening the economy and having certainty that these companies can get back to normal.